Welcome back. In this session, we are going to test the file. So we'll understand what will happen after uploading bank statement and results. First one, customer statement, customer open item will be cleared. Means entry will get posted to the relevant customer. Second, outgoing clearing account will be clear and debit will be debited to main bank account. So balance of this GL will be 0. This is also 0. This will become 0. 2 entries. This is the third entry for bank charges. Now we will go to the upload T code. Upload T code is, I am opening another session, ff_5. This is the upload T code. So what are the parameters you have to select here? First, you have to select this one. You have to import data. Go to this MT940. Locate your file. EBS. Workstation upload. Let it be post immediately. See, we discussed during the process discussion. We discussed if you want to post immediately without creating the batch, you have to select this one. Now, if you want to system to generate the batch, you have to select generate batch. Again, you have to go to SM35. From there, you have to execute it. But in our case, we are going to post immediately. Let it be SN value date. While discussing algorithm, we discussed two things: Bellner and XP-LNR. These number ranges are mandatory. Means if you are using 20, 21 algorithms, you have to give number ranges here for the purpose of clearing. What we will do generally, we will mention like this. For this also, I will mention like this. So now print a bank statement. After executing this one, we can be able to see the statement here. So now I will save this variant. Test variant. Save. Now we are uploading. Before uploading, we will have a quick look at our balances. After uploading, balance will get changed to 4000 based on the entry movements. Refresh it. So here we have 5000, 15. Here we have 1000. Just we will check, double check. Now we are going to uploading. Let us see whether everything will be work as per our configuration or not. Execute. It is opening the EBS statement. Hello. You will get like this. Already exists. Why it is happening means I posted one entry before recording this one. That is the reason it is saying statement 1 is already exist in the system. So you can come across this issue in your practical also. If one statement is there already, we cannot be able to upload the same statement. There should not be any duplication. I will change this to 2. So again we will upload. See, statement opening balance is not same as the. Why we are getting this error means I uploaded this one statement. What I will do, I will delete all those things. To delete buffer information, we have to execute the below program from SC38. This is the program name. RFM KA96. What I will do, I will delete this one, whatever exists in the system, to make it clear. Go to SC38. For your testing, no need to repeat all those steps, you can directly upload. But in our case, we have previous statement, that is the reason I want to clear this buffer. This will be very useful for your testing purpose, you will understand. You can use this delete buffer, the circumstances, if you upload the file but no entry posted into SAP due to some error in the file. In that case, there is no entry posted, then you can delete the buffer. You have to use this program and you have to delete this buffer so that the file can be re-uploaded. That is the concept here. See, here we have two files. What I will do, I will delete all files. System will delete this information from these tables. That is the concept. So now everything is deleted. Now again go back to ff_5. Go and take our variant. Now execute. This time, see, statement is not in the bank data. You will get this. Generally, you supposed to get this, but due to already uploaded statement, I am getting this one. Hit enter. See, you got one message that document was posted in company code. Now we have successfully posted this information. NTRF, this is BTC, BTC, BTC. Okay. Now we will check the results of this uploading. Now go back and do refresh. See, we don't have any open items in customer statement. Let us see this. See, now it has been cleared. Now I will go to this one. This will be get cleared as per our steps. First one is done, second one outgoing. Do refresh. See, now it is cleared. Now your bank balance is 4,000. Bank charges, we will see this entry. If your configuration is, see, bank charges account debit to EBS main bank account. We have successfully completed our testing. Everything is working as per our expectations. In coming session, we will see this one. We will discuss this. How to NCHG with minus sign, we can be able to assign only one. Then how to overcome this issue. In real time, we have to, the cases will be like that only. You will come across many cases, same case. We will see, we will discuss this, what is the solution in next class.